Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the SSD in your Lenovo Thinkpad Yoga Gen 6. Okay, so first you want to flip it to the back and take out the 8 screws that's out the back. I'll do that real quick. Now while you're doing this, make sure you keep track of where you put each screw, or do what I'm going to show you in a minute. What you can do is you can keep them in the spot and just kind of pry up from the edges. You just keep on going from the edges where you can feel the clip. Try not to break the clips. And it should just pop right out. You can put this to the side. Alright, now here's the inside of the Lenovo. And here is your SSD that you want to replace. So what you want to do is you want to take out the screw that's right here. Make sure you don't lose it, because we will need it. Like I almost did. And before you take it out, make sure to unplug the battery cable right there. And then just kind of wiggle, pull up and wiggle that SSD out. I will show you the size of the SSD on screen right now, so you don't have a replacement already, you can get one. But what you want to do with the new SSD, just pretend like this is a new one. Take the SSD, slot it back in, make sure it goes right, there's a little notch right there. Slot it back in, push down, try and get your screw again. And this can be a little tedious, but kind of put it in there and screw it back in. Ooh. Alright. Next, you want to take the back panel. Connect up the battery first. Right there. That battery cable right there. And then, take the back. Put it back and clip it in, and then screw the screws back in. And I'll do that right now. Alright, and that's how you replace the SSD in your Lenovo Thinkpad Yoga. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Goodbye.